I just received 10 packages from Aliexpress. Let's open them up today. Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Joelle, the Everyday Avant-Garde. Go ahead and hit subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. Okay, so I just received a order in the mail and I have 10 different packages from Aliexpress, and so I thought it'd be a cool video to unbox them and show you what I got. For those of you who don't know, Aliexpress is a retail website. It's kind of similar to Amazon, but most of the people who sell on Aliexpress are based in China. I really like this website because the products are extremely affordable. A lot of times I've noticed that products that are sold on Amazon, I can find them on Aliexpress for a third of the price. It can be kind of hit or miss. You have to know how to shop on it and how to find suppliers that are reputable and have quality products. But when you do, you can get a really good deal and get a really cool product. Okay, let's open these. Here's first package. I just have to be careful opening it because I don't remember what I got and I don't want to accidentally like cut the product. Okay. This is a set of 2, I don't know if it's actual crystal or not, but it said on the website it was. Either way, I just thought it would look cool. They're like little choker necklaces, and it's supposed to be like some kind of green crystal and like amethyst. Again, I'm not sure if it's actual crystal or not, but I thought it would be cute to like layer with some of my other necklaces. And it looks kind of like beachy, like that beachy vibe since I live in San Diego. Next package. I really don't remember what this could be. I have no idea. Okay, now I remember. These are tassels. And I think I ordered like 100 of them. I don't remember exactly how much, but I have a project I'm doing where I have some curtains and I wanted to make them look like some curtains I saw in Anthropologie that were like $300. So I wanted to DIY them myself, and I'll make a video showing how I use these in the future. Just give you an idea of what they look like. So I have like this curtain here. It's like a green velvet, and I want to attach these tassels onto them. I think it'll look super cute, and it'll make like an interesting little, like, I don't know, piece to look at when, you know, you'll glimpse it when I'm shooting my videos. And these look very nice. I was originally actually started making the tassels myself, but I kept running out of material because I needed so many and it was taking a really long time. So I said, you know what, I'm just gonna find some good ones online and do that instead, because it's already gonna take a lot of time to put these, attach these to the curtain. So doing it completely from scratch would have just taken way too long. Okay, and here's like one of the tassels. And it's actually packaged very well. It has these little like protective film on it. And it looks really good. I think this is gonna look super cute. Like a bunch of these like hanging on the curtain. Oh, and it catches the light nicely too. Awesome. I think these were actually a little bit pricey, but compared to what they were charging on Amazon, it was definitely way more affordable. And they didn't have this option on Amazon either. So like they had a way more tassel options. And that's another thing I like about Aliexpress, especially for craft supplies. There's just so much good variety that you don't see at like Michael's or Amazon. And again, it's also like very affordable and it's unique. So you'll be using materials that other creatives aren't really using. All right, next package. Okay. So this is a 3-in-1. I ordered some headbands. Since I can't really do that much with my hair right now since it's so short, so I like to use headbands as a way of just like making a cute hairstyle. And I also like wearing them when I'm doing like housework or stuff that I need to keep my hair out of my face. So you have like this pattern. It's almost like a bandana kind of, but it's a little more like paisley looking. And then I got a leopard print. I had this one before and I really liked it, but part of it kind of fell apart. And then this other paisley pattern. Just see how, I'll try one on and see how it looks. Okay, so it's like, I really like this style because it's kind of like a turban style. So you can wear it two ways. You can wear it with like the knot in the front, or you can wear it this way if you need to like keep more of your hair back. I just washed my hair, so it's not really like holding the texture as like good as it normally would if I was styling it with this, but just to show you what it looks like. Yeah, my hair's too slippery right now, but I'll show you from this way. So you want something that like keeps your hair out of your face good. These were like, I don't know, $2 or $3 each. So like if I'm cleaning around the house, like this is great. And it's like not too tight at all. It's like has a really good like tension to it. But I really like the knot too. Or you could wear it like, if you have longer hair, you could wear it like this way too. That looks kind of cool. Next package. I don't even know what this is. Oh. I ordered a toy for my dog because they sell dog toys on there like really cheap compared to like Target or like, you know, pet store. And I got this one because it doesn't have any stuffing because my dog like rips out the stuffing. Yeah, he's gonna go crazy for this. And he's always like chasing the squirrels outside. So I thought I would get him something that looked like a little squirrel. And I don't want to squeak it right now because if I do, he's gonna go crazy and he's gonna want to start playing with it. So I'm gonna save this for a later day for him. I'm taking him to the vet next week, so maybe I'll give it to him after that for like a little treat. Okay, next package. This is another dog toy. Oh, two other dog toys.
I enjoy watching you.
This one is a rabbit. Honestly, I don't know if the quality is like, he's probably going to tear this apart really fast, but even the expensive ones he tears apart really fast. So it's better to just get cheap ones. That way I'm not really like losing so much money. So yeah, this is a little rabbit and it's got the squeaker in it too. He will like that. And then this one actually seemed like it would be a lot more durable. It's a duck. Oh yeah, I think hopefully he's gonna have a harder time with this one. It's got kind of like a thicker material and it seems like, oh, whoops. It's got two squeakers in it. I need to hide it now or else he's gonna start going crazy. So yeah, on to the next. You already I see him he's popped his little head up. Anyways, on to the next. Next package. Okay, what is this? What is this? Oh. This is a it's like a little crop top, tank top. I wear a lot of like high-waisted stuff, and even though I don't really show my stomach, I think with the high-waisted, it's high enough that it doesn't show the stomach, but I think the crop top's just like nicer with that, and I wanted something like for summertime or something I could like wear under a tank top. It's almost like a bralette, actually. So it's got like a little twisty pattern here. Yeah, it's kind of like twisty. It's like made out of like a ribbed material. So it's kind of just like a nice little like basic. Again, like sometimes some of my tank tops have like the long arms, and so I like to have like a cute bralette underneath. Okay, next package. Okay, here's another little crystal necklace. This one's like a purple and like a light blue. I like the little sparkle on it. I like that it's like kind of dainty too, because I feel like this is gonna like just like look really cute when it's like layered with other stuff, or even by itself, honestly. Okay, next package. Ooh, this is the one I've been looking forward to the most. Okay, so these are gonna be some more headbands, but these are different than the other ones I got. So they package it very nicely too, so they don't get bent or messed up. Okay, so I got 2 of these like really cute crystal headbands. Okay, here's the first one. It's really pretty. I feel like this would, like at Target, I feel like this could go for like easily like 15 to 20 bucks. And probably same on Amazon, maybe like 10 to 20, I don't know. But I thought this would be nice for like in this, you know, occasion where I'm like dressing up or just want a little extra glitter. So cute. I love how it catches the light. It seems like pretty well made too. It's like nice and like, it's got like a nice weight to it. I don't know how the rhinestones are going to hold up over time, but it was, again, like maybe $4 or $5, so not a bad price at all. And then I got this one in like a peachy, like a rose gold kind of color. Oh my God, so cute. Oh, I just noticed this too. This is a really cute touch that this seller did. This bubble wrap that they packaged it in is actually, let me turn around so you can see better. They're actually little like heart shapes on the bubble wrap. That is so cute. I'm totally gonna keep this and upcycle it for any products that I sell. Like I would put this on my packaging for sure. That's such a little like sweet, unique touch. Okay, next package. I think this one is more headbands. This one doesn't have the heart bubble wrap though. It might be a different seller, but they still packaged it really good. I like that. Okay, so we have 2 more headbands. I got another sparkly one. I really like headbands. I kind of collect them because I feel like I like to have different styles. Like, so no matter what kind of outfit I have like a headband to go with it. And then I just like keep them forever because they can be used in so many different ways. This one is like an iridescent kind of like rainbow sparkle, which is my like favorite. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I'm like all about the holographic rainbow. Oh, that's really cute too. I feel like it's a little tight, but I can just kind of like open it up a bit more. Just have to be careful so the stones don't pop off. But again, for the price, like this would be really cute too for like any sort of like bridal hair accessory or prom or like something like that too. Very cheap also. And then this one is Seashells. Since I live in San Diego, you know, I gotta represent with the Seashells. And I have a choker that matches this too. So cute. This is giving me like mermaid princess vibes. Love it. Really nice. Okay, last package. I think this one's another headband. I ordered a lot of headbands. They just had so many cute ones on there and I couldn't decide what to get. So, I mean, honestly, I could have ordered even more than that, but I was like, take it a little at a time and see how, I like to see how the quality is too before I order too much. Oh, nice. Ooh, what was that? Oh, they gave me like a little free apple Brett. That's cute. Sometimes that's another thing that I like about these like Aliexpress sellers is not really my style, but it's still cute. Is a lot of these sellers like include like a little free gift sometimes, and I don't see them doing that on Amazon. Okay, this is hard to get out. I'm probably not going to use this, but still a nice thought. So this is the last headband, and it's Amethyst Crystals. I love crystals, and I have an amethyst necklace that my husband gave me that I wear every single day. I didn't wear it today because I got my hair done, but I wear it normally every day, and so I wanted something that would go with it. So it goes like all the way around, which is nice. That's really pretty too. It's like super beachy, boho. And I like that it's kind of like dainty and subtle. So like even if I feel like being a little bit extra, it's not like loud and like in your face. It's just kind of like a cute little, and then especially to like to pair it with like any of these like necklaces that I got, I think would look really nice. I might actually like curate some like sets of like some of this stuff like find some pairs that like go together and then sell them on my website as like a little bundle. Okay, so that's everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're ever interested in shopping from Aliexpress and would like some pointers on how to find good suppliers and how to find good products, let me know in the comments down below, and I could do like a little tutorial or instruction video with some of my tips on how I find cool products. And if you like the video, like, share, subscribe, comment, all that great stuff. Let me know what your favorite product was that I opened, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye.